All apprentices and delivery staff must wear PPE at all times in an official workshop. Note that these practical examples are filmed in a teaching environment.
Having terminated the SWA gland, we can now look at our actual terminations that we're making off at the accessories or at the equipment. What we can see here now is that our 3 black cores have now been correctly identified as brown, black and grey with some sleeving. Because this cable is braided, we need to make sure that it's correctly earthed, because if the cable were to be punctured at all by anything conductive, then this braiding would become energized. So we need to make sure we've got our earthing arrangements in place. Here you can see the typical Banjo tagged earth tag arrangement in place on there, and that's commonly used for this. If we look up onto this one up here, and we can see here we've gone for the Piranha nut arrangement, where a nut is used instead of the Banjo, and then it has options for taking your flying earth lead away from there. Both types are acceptable, so let's have a closer look at them. So here we can see Banjos and the what's commonly called the Piranha nut. Okay, with the Piranha nut, they need to be used correctly. So what you'll notice here is one side of the Piranha nut has got a smooth finish, but on this side here, you can see there are 4 little serrations or teeth, hence the name Piranha nut. We need to make sure when you're fitting those that they go on the gland up towards the gland, so they bite onto either the enclosure or into the nut that's been used to hold the gland in place. Then on the side of each facet there, you can see is tapped. There's a grub screw with an Allen key attachment to it that can be used to tighten onto the shaft of the gland, and then also it comes with a screw there that we can take the flying earth lead away that we saw just now in our terminals up there. So as I said, these can be used for either, but where we've got an IP rated enclosure, now this enclosure is an IP65, so it's been designed to take pressurized jets of water in any direction. So the last thing they want is someone then drilling a hole in the side of the box to accommodate the Banjo. So therefore, if you have an IP rated enclosure, then the only option really is to use the Piranha nut.